Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Serpclix and you're wondering, can you make money as a clicker? Okay, so how can you make money as a micro gig worker on this website and help them to click on search engine links to try and make a little bit of money for yourself? Let's just see, how much do they really pay? How much can you really earn? That's a big question. And is this really worth your time? Or are there other tasks that you can be spending on that will make you a lot more income? Okay, now anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month minimum every single month, 100% from home, just with your computer, go ahead and click the link below and I will send you that strategy straight to your email for free if you want to check it out. Okay, now Serpclix it's actually a pretty cool service, right? This is mainly for website owners. What they do is, this is kind of gray area, okay? So just understand that their service isn't really allowed in Google's terms of service. So what they're doing is they're helping website owners to get higher rankings on the Google search results by getting real people to click on their search engine results, right? So instead of robots, you use real humans. They're crowdsourcing people to click on people's links inside of Google, which is actually against the terms of service of Google. This is kind of like a way to game the system. So just understand that that is the service they use. It's good for website owners, but if Google finds out, then you know they can get into trouble, to be honest, right? So just understand that this is not sanctioned by Google, but the way that it works is they need real people like you and me to click on their clients' links inside of Google, right, to help them to get better rankings through something called CTR. Spend time on their websites, click through their links. It makes it look like real people are actually searching for keyword phrases and clicking on their links, so Google will give them higher rankings. Okay, again, gray area here. Just understand that, again, this is against really the terms of service of what Google's doing, so just understand that, okay? But you can get paid for it. As an employee of Serpclix, you can work as what's called a gig worker, right? You're doing small little gigs, and the way it works is you can earn between 5 cents and 10 cents per click, right? So if you were to sign up as a clicker, okay, sign up here to be a clicker. You can be based anywhere in the world. What they'll do is they will basically give you a series of instructions. They'll give you a back office. You'll upload a Firefox extension, okay? No matter where you are, you don't have to worry about, having to apply or anything like that. And then based on the instructions, they will give you certain tasks to do every single day. And those tasks include things like searching for certain keyword phrases, looking for their client's particular website. It might be ranked, number 20 or ranked number 10 or ranked, on the second page or whatever. You would look for it, click on the link, and then spend usually about a minute scrolling the client's websites up and down. And then you have to do a few more other things, and that would be considered as one click, okay? And for doing that, you can make between 5 cents and 10 cents per click. Okay, now that might sound pretty cool because it doesn't sound like you're doing too much, but if you really think about it, it's not that much money, okay? Because doing every single click is not as quick as just clicking on something. You're gonna have to look for it, you have to click on it, you have to do a few things to make sure that you're doing it correctly so that Serpclix knows that you're doing the right job and they will actually give you credit for that action that you took. So I've done the math on this, right? Roughly, it's gonna take you about 5 minutes for every action that you take. Okay, now if it takes you 5 minutes for every click action that you take, it means on average per hour you can only do about 12 of these actions, right? Now if you're being paid 10 cents per action, you're only going to make about $1.20 per hour. Now if you think about it, $1.20, and it's probably going to be less because it's not always 10 cents. Sometimes it's only 5 cents, right? So maybe you only make 80 cents per hour. Now, if you think about it, 80 cents per hour online is very little money, okay? Now, if you're in a country where 80 cents per hour is life-changing income, then Serpclix will be pretty cool for you, right? But if you're somebody that lives in a bigger country and 80 cents per hour is not going to be life-changing. I mean, look, if you spend 3 hours on Serpclix doing this particular job, right? And let's just say you made $2.50 or $3. That's $2.50 or $3 per day that you're making, but you're spending 3 hours doing this job. That's very, very little money. Okay, again, if you're in a country where $3 is life-changing, then that's great. But for the most part, if you live in a country where $3 is not gonna have a dent on your life, it's like a drop in the ocean, right? Then it's not really going to be that much of a change for you. You'll probably make more money working at McDonald's or painting fences or walking dogs, right? Or delivering food or whatever it is, okay? So just understand that it's pretty cool. It's a cool service. You can really make, 5 cents to 10 cents per click. This is a real company. They really pay out, right? So the minimum threshold is $5 and they pay you out directly through PayPal. But are you going to get rich this way? Are you going to be able to travel the world? Can you retire? All that stuff? Not really, okay? This is a micro gig. It's designed to pay you really, really little money for the amount of time that you're taking. And look, I mean, you're making on average 80 cents to a dollar per hour. That's very little money online. Just understand that, okay? But is it legit? Can you do it? Can you do it from anywhere in the world? Absolutely. Okay, just understand that Serpclix operates on a gray area when it comes to Google, and they could potentially get in trouble in the future. So just understand that, and you have to decide for yourself whether you want to participate in something like that where it's actually against Google's terms of service. Okay, just understand that, right? Now, if you're here though watching this video and maybe you're looking for a way to create some real side income, we're talking about solid side income. We're not talking about 10 cents for every 5 minutes or $1 per hour. We're talking about hundreds of dollars per day that you can potentially make if you do this right, okay? There are lots of different ways to do it. I've been online for over 14 years. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And Serpclix is cool for things like that, but there are a lot of much, much better ways to make big money online. You just have to understand where to look and how to learn how to do it properly, okay? So if you want to get my favorite strategy, to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, every single month minimum, 100% from home, all you need to do is just click the link below and I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email. This is a high skill set strategy that earns you high income. This right here, Serpclix, is considered a low skill set strategy, and that's why they only pay you $1 per hour on average, okay? So hope to see you on that training, and I hope you enjoyed this review today. Hope to see you on another review. Take care and all the best.